me ask you a quick question. Are you watching everyone talk about the AI gold rush, but still wondering how you can actually get in on it yourself? Because here's the cold, hard truth. The big brands and deep-pocketed tech giants are already cashing in on AI. Meanwhile, entrepreneurs like you, the ones with dreams of financial freedom and control, are left standing on the sidelines. And it's not your fault. They've made AI seem impossible for anyone without a coding degree, a six-figure development budget, or a team of software engineers. So, what do? You keep searching for opportunities, but every tool you find either locks you into recurring fees or limits you to using their platform, renting their tools, instead of actually owning your own business. And even if you piece together a solution, you waste months, even years trying to make it work, only to realize you still don't have real clients or a system to actually bring money in the door. Well, that ends today. Because what if you could skip the headaches, skip the guesswork, and instantly launch your own AI SaaS business in just a few clicks, without coding, without hiring developers, and without investing tens of thousands of dollars? That's what DFYAISuite makes possible for you. This is not just another shiny software. It's a done-for-you agency system that lets you rebrand and sell 100-plus proven AI apps as your own. Find real, hungry clients ready to buy with built-in lead-finding tools. Create powerful marketing content in minutes. No copywriters needed. Collect payments directly with 100% of the profits going to you. And here's the best part. You don't need to build anything. You don't need to design anything. You don't even need a team, because we've done all the heavy lifting for you. Imagine logging in today, choosing the tools you want to sell, adding your logo and payment link, and launching your own branded AI SaaS business. Today. Look, the AI SaaS market crossed $200 billion in 2024, and it's set to more than double in the next 3 years. And early adopters, even complete beginners, are already launching micro AI tools that generate $300, $1,000, or even $3,000 plus per month on autopilot. But you can't do it if you keep depending on old, broken methods. Methods like renting someone else's tools and giving up most of your profits. Piecing together random apps, plugins, and services that never really fit together. Or trying to learn complicated code just to create something that already exists. Because, let's face it, your time is too valuable for that. You deserve a shortcut that actually works. That's why DFYAISuite was created. So you can skip the complexity and start making money as a real AI SaaS founder without writing a single line of code. Here's what's inside. AI Client Finder. Find hot leads in any niche automatically so you never run out of prospects. Video GPT. Instantly turn images into dynamic, scroll-stopping videos. Writing Assistant. Across multiple AI models to write flawless emails, blogs, and sales pages. Content Planner. Plan and generate weeks of social posts, blog content, and promotions. Image GPT. Compare outputs from 100-plus AI art models and create stunning visuals. PDF, audio, and image chatbots. Turn boring files into interactive, smart assistants that wow your clients. Facebook Ads Finder and Logo Creator. Spy on what's working now, create winning ads, and build fresh branding. And dozens more. These tools aren't just powerful, they're in massive demand. Because businesses everywhere are scrambling for AI-powered solutions they can understand, use, and profit from. Now, you can be the one to provide them. Sell your branded tools directly. License them to freelancers, coaches, and marketers. Offer them as part of your services. It's your call, because this is your business. No monthly fees, no platform cuts, no hidden charges. You keep every dollar you make. And don't just take my word for it. Meet Stuart, an overwhelmed entrepreneur who leveraged DFYAISuite to launch his own branded AI business in just 5 hours, even though he had zero technical experience. He doubled his income in under 2 months by offering AI content services to local businesses that were desperate for help. Or look at John. who used DFYAISuite to set up his own AI SaaS agency. He started offering rebranding AI tools to coaches and consultants, and within weeks, he had paying clients eager to access his tools and services. These are just two examples of what's possible, and they're not outliers. They're everyday people who took the leap. And now, it's your turn. So let me ask you, are you going to keep watching from the sidelines while others cash in on the AI boom? Or are you ready to launch your own branded AI business today, before the door slams shut? Here's how easy it is. Step 1, log into your dashboard and activate your toolkit. Step 2, add your branding, domain, and payment link. Step 3, find clients, collect payments, and start selling, all from your own done-for-you agency site. No coding, no guesswork, no waiting months to get started. You can be live and ready to sell in less time than it takes to finish your morning coffee. But you need to act fast, because this early access license gives you lifetime access to DFYAISuite for a one-time price. Once we roll out new tools and open this to the public, we'll be shifting to a monthly subscription model, and you'll pay every single month just to keep your access. So if you want to keep 100% of your profits, own your own AI SaaS business, and skip the headaches of building from scratch, click the button below now and get instant access to DFYAISuite today. Don't wait. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Your AI business is just a few clicks away, and it's never been easier than this.